Lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe, join the family. You know you want to, girl. See what I have in store for you. I am all things Adree. Thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All right, so let's get to it. I went shopping online with Morphe, and I did this right before the foundation launch. So, but from the looks of it, as you all already know, it wasn't much to write home about is what I keep hearing, so I ain't missing nothing. But what I do know is Morphe is awesome with their eyeshadows and brushes. So let's see. A Morphe haul. All right, so got my box of goodies. Spent, I think, $100. My budget that I'm comfortable with, which has to go down, is about $100 a month on makeup. Maybe sometimes more, I don't know. Okay, so the first thing that I picked up from Morphe was the Your True Selfie Artistry Palette. It's 15 shades. I want to say this one was on sale. This was on sale last week. So, the first week of January. Y'all can already see I done dipped in it a little bit, swatched a little bit. But yeah, those colors, I'm pretty sure y'all are not new to Morphe. But yeah, I can't wait to do more looks in this palette. But yeah, I was really excited. It's got your transition colors. It's got some hot oranges, some greens. Like, I'm all for it. I'm all for it. Especially the green. I think the green and the neutral colors is what I call my eye. So I can't wait to try that. I want to pay. So that's the Your True Selfie palette. And then let's see. I got the Ready Set Glow palette. 35R. Once again, I still ain't been able to get my hands on James Charles. Whatever. I'm so over it. It's like 3-4 times that I've tried. And it sells out. I think the latest round, it was on sale at 8 a.m. I set my alarm. I get up for work at 6:30 anyway. But before I could even get to work, which I usually get to work right at 8, it was gone. So I'm like, okay, y'all put this on sale earlier. I could not wait to get my hands on this one. So lovely. It's got your shimmers on this side and your mattes on this side. I want to say this is one shimmer. Yeah, it's a little more shimmery. But I love that you can play. Look at that. We all know Morphe's pigments are like... False Mood is the other that I have. Bubble wrap. I'll have to say that for my son, honey. Them 4-year-olds love bubble wrap. Okay, let's see. Oh, yes. This one was like a whole mood when I was buying this. Oh, my God. And it's got the colors labeled. Since I couldn't get my hands on the James Charles, to me, this was the next best thing, honey. And I love how it has, once again, an assortment of palette of colors to choose from. Your purples, your greens, your pinks, your neutrals, black for the smoky eye, my transition color. Like, I just can't wait to try. Colors. Okay. All right. This is Social Butterfly. And I love this one for the brights and the purples. And I really like this wig, by the way. I might do a tutorial, a wig review on this. Leave me a comment if you'd like to see my wig review and what this wig is and all that. I think I might. I really like this one. I picked this one up from Beauty Supply. I want it to be red. But anyway, this ain't about my wig. Okay, yes. This really matte black. But yeah, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 6 shimmers, and the rest are mattes. So, pretty impressed. 7, I'm sorry. 7 shimmers. Because now trending is a shimmer. Bay, Side Hustle for the Gram, Insta Famous, Squad Goals, Fame Game, and Best Night Ever are the shimmers. And the rest of them are mattes. Pink, purple. I probably didn't need all these palettes. Like, whoever needs them, but whatever. I need to stop buying stuff I don't need. I cannot wait to play in the pinks and purple. Just stop, girl. Just stop. Stop buying makeup. I need some sponsorships, but I ain't there yet, I guess. Nobody sends a little YouTuber no stuff. But I'm going to get there. I'm confident. Out and a Pout palette. Not palette, girl. It was like a lip trio. And I want to say it was on sale for like $10 for the liner. Lip liner in the shade Mina. She is red. Red. And then Mega Matte in Dominate. Red. I love a red lip. It's classic to me. If I want to try any brand, I always usually start with red. And then Froze, I think this one is called the gloss. I love. So yeah, can't wait to try that together. I think this lip trio was on sale for like $10 too. After Christmas sale. Sometimes you just gotta wait, be patient. And of course, I got the M439 foundation brush.
Ooh.
Okay. All I Want. This is so cute to me. Black glitter. Classic chic. Like, you winning, girl. You winning. Let's see what we got. Okay. Taper crease brush. Lines definer. Firm blender. Small chisel. Smudge brush. Double-sided angle brush and spoolie. Small glitzy bag. Okay, that's what the set comes with. So here's my double-sided angle brush and spoolie. This one is my smudger brush, my small chisel brush, I think. This is the line definer brush. Here is my firm blending brush. And here is my tapered crease brush. Okay. Complexion Crew. Face brushes. I think those are on sale. Another black glitzy bag. Okay. This one comes with, here is the Complexion Crew. Let's see. These feel like super soft. This one was $8 also, so Social Butterfly. Both the 15 ones was $8. Ready, Set, Go was $15. Boss Move was $24. So that was the most expensive thing that I bought. And then the All I Want brush set was $10. Couldn't beat that. Said it's worth a try. Complexion Crew brushes was $15. Yep. So I feel like I did good. They had an awesome sale. I got these bags. We'll see if I like them. I'm running out of storage for all my makeup at this point. Oh, and the pout kit, the lip kit. How much was the lip kit? Oh, $10. So you got the lip liner, the lipstick, and the... Thank you for tuning in. That was my Morphe haul. I did not pick up the foundation. I don't think it's worth it. I may try it for myself if it goes on sale, but right now, it's a no for me, dog. And watch my makeup video if you'd like to see this face. Oh, my shirt. I made this shirt. Queenie. Y'all see? All on my own. I'll leave a link below just in case y'all want to browse and see my creative talents other than makeup and hair. Thanks for tuning in, lovelies. Until the next video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Tell your friends. Go on and try out some Morphe. Thanks for watching. Mwah.